In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Beehiiv website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First things first, if you haven't already created your Beehiiv account, you'll want to head over to the Beehiiv website and get that set up. Once you've created your account and logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens in managing your content and editing your website. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the My Website option. This will take you to the section where you can customize your site's look and feel. Editing your site is an exciting part of the process, as it allows you to showcase your brand and connect with your audience. Now let's start with editing the homepage. Click on the Homepage section. Here, you have the option to change your site title and tagline. Your title is usually your brand name, while the tagline gives a bit more detail about what you do. This information is crucial because it sets the tone for your audience. Next, you'll see various sections like About, Contact, and Blog Posts. Each section can be customized individually. For the About section, you might want to share your story. Why did you create this website? What are your goals? Talk to your audience as if you're having a conversation with a friend. Don't hesitate to include images or videos here that illustrate your journey. It makes a big difference. As for the Contact section, ensure that you provide a way for your readers to reach you. It could be through a simple contact form or by displaying your social media links. Remember, your audience should feel like they can easily connect with you. It's all about building that relationship. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see an area that allows you to add or edit blog posts. If you're sharing articles, updates, or newsletters, you can easily add new entries here. When you're writing a blog post, think about your audience. What do they want to read? Use engaging headlines, include images to break the text, and don't forget to incorporate links to other relevant articles. This not only enhances the experience, but also helps your SEO. Once you're happy with the content on your homepage, it's time to think about the overall look of your website. Go to the Design or Themes section, where you can choose various templates that suit your brand. Beehiiv offers a selection of themes that cater to different aesthetics. Pick one that resonates with you and feels right for your content theme. Color schemes are also significant. Consistency in colors can reinforce your branding, so choose a palette that aligns with your message. Text colors and background colors should complement each other for readability. After all, you want your audience to enjoy the experience without straining their eyes. Another important section to pay attention to is your menu. Ensure that it's easy to navigate. You want your visitors to find what they're looking for without any hassle. Organize your menu logically. For example, if you have multiple blog categories, consider having a drop-down menu for a cleaner look. Don't forget about your website's footer, which can be overlooked sometimes. This area is valuable real estate for double-checking that all contact details and essential links are displayed. You can also repeat any calls to action, encouraging your visitors to subscribe to your newsletter or follow you on social media. Once you are satisfied with all the edits, take a moment to preview your website to see how it appears to your audience. You want to ensure everything looks great before going live. Taking that extra step to review your site is crucial. Lastly, don't just set it and forget it. Regularly return to your Beehiiv website to make updates. Fresh content keeps your audience engaged and informed about what you're up to. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to edit your Beehiiv website effectively. Enjoy the process of creating a space that truly reflects you and your brand. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.